Hi, my name is Julian. I'm from Karlsruhe in Germany. I'm a PhD candidate at KIT, and I want to give a short insight what we do in the Ceresis project. At KIT we conduct experiments in supercritical water gasification, which is one way of converting the biomasses in the Ceresis project to a useful fuel, because otherwise they would be a waste material. The gasification in general has the advantage that contaminants can be separated and the organics in the biomass can be energetically used. And we use the supercritical water gasification, a special type of gasification that only, as a reactant, only needs water in order to work, and it works at very high temperatures and pressures to convert the biomass to gases. This gas that we produce is then further treated. First it's cleaned by our partners in SURF via a process called membrane gas absorption, and then further reformed, and in the last step Fischer-Tropsch fuels are produced at the University of Sherbrooke in Canada. A side product is produced in this process, which is also treated by our partners in SURF via a process that does not require any additional chemicals. It's an electrochemical process. We made great progress in all of these tasks. Also in the supercritical water gasification at KIT, we developed a process that works well for the Ceresis biomasses and made good progress through the cooperation of the partners. Additionally, I want to thank Ceresis for the great opportunity to perform my PhD in this framework of this exciting project, and for the insights I got into different topics, as I said, like desulfurization, Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, and many more things that I would have normally not gotten. And I want to also thank the partners for the great cooperation.